Hello my dear children, I am happy to see you all and I am eagerly waiting to see you at school. So let us pray to God so that we meet soon at school. Okay children, welcome to 10th standard and today we are going to learn a poem and the poem's name is Life and it is written by Henry Van Dyke. So in this poem, the poet beautifully expresses how a human life is and how special it is. You know, we have something known as the sixth sense, which animals or birds, they don't have. So with the help of this sixth sense, we can differentiate good, bad, right, wrong. That is why human life is very special. So we must not always worry about the past, or we must not cry thinking about that. And also we must not worry about the future. Instead, we should live the present happily and we should take steps to upgrade ourselves and lead our life in a successful manner. So this poet tells a lot of things about life. So let us go to the poem. I have sent a copy of this poem to your WhatsApp numbers in the group. So kindly go through the poem when I am explaining it to you. Okay children, so be ready. Okay, first about the poet. The poet's name is Henry Van Dyke and he was born in 1852 and he lived up to 1933. So he was an American author, poet, educator and clergyman. Author means a person who writes books and poet means a person who writes poem, and educator means teacher and clergyman means priest. Okay, so he served as a professor of English literature at Princeton University between 1899 and 1923. So he was a professor too, and what is the name of the university? It's Princeton University. And he was elected to the American Academy of Arts and Letters and received many other honors. So from this we understand that he is a very special and great poet. Okay children. So the name of the poet is Life and it is a memory poem children. And the poet's name is Henry Van Dyke. So let me read it for you. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul. So children, you must always remember something. Every day morning you're waking up. So you should thank God for adding one more day to your life. And likewise, during your birthdays also you should think and you should thank God for making your life very successful and giving one more year extra to your life. So the poet tells you that only, and he's telling that every year he's living his life and with forward face. Forward face means in a positive attitude. You're thinking of something going beyond in a positive way, not thinking about the past. And unreluctant soul means you're willing to do something eagerly. Always you should be open-minded and eager to do whatever you like. Okay children. Not hurrying up to, not turning from the goal. So you must not hurry. Before you take some decision, you should think well and then you have to decide. So you should not hurry, or if you have a goal setting, if you have a target, you should always think of achieving it. You must not go behind or go backwards. You should not think that I cannot do this, I cannot do that. So don't think that it is a failure. Try to overcome your failures. Okay children. Not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear. So many things have comes in your life, whether good ones or bad ones. Sometimes good opportunities would have come to you. Maybe you did not use it. But don't worry about that. Mourning means crying over it. Don't think about that and cry. Instead, you think what we can do next. Okay, children. And always don't fear about your past also. Something bad has happened. So don't keep that worry in your heart always. Okay, children. Is it clear for you? Okay. From what the future wails, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll. So always you should eagerly wait. Know what is there for you next. You should not fear about your future or you should not worry about your future, but you should eagerly wait. So for that, you should live the present in a happy way and do lots of happy things and things that motivate you. So think like that and you have to wait for the future. Okay children. And you always should have a happy heart so that you can pay its toll, means you can pay for anything. Even when you're happy always, you need not worry about anything. You can face any situation. Okay children. To youth and age and travels on with cheer. So now you're all small children. You have lots to come in the future. So make use of this life. Make use of it in a useful and in a positive and a good way. Don't get distracted by anything. You have age, your youthfulness. So always travel in a cheerful way, which means you have to lead your life in a cheerful way. Okay children. So let the way wind up the hill or down. So here you have the spelling W-I-N-D, which means wind, not wind. Wind means that strong air. Here wind means closing. Okay. So let the way wind up the hill or down, or rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. So when you're going on this life's journey, you will face many obstacles. Obstacles means many difficulties in the path. So do not worry about that. So what will happen? The way, when you go on that way, all the hills are down. Hill means it is something related to difficulties. Down means sadness. Everything will be winded up. Winded up means it will be closed. It will be put to an end. So your journey will be very smooth and it will be very happy. So when you think positively, everything will happen in a good way for you. Okay, children. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship, high adventure and a crown. So this is written by Henry Van Dyke. So when he writes the poem, he tells that he had lots of desires. Desires means many wishes when he was a boy. So now everything is being fulfilled. So whatever he wished before, he's thinking in a positive way that now also it will happen. New friendships, new adventure and a crown. Crown here means success. Okay, winning moments. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. So quest means searching something. So everybody, we have a purpose in our life. So we have only one life and we should always have a purpose for that. Okay. So here he says that he has the courage. Courage means he has that brave things, strength in his heart, so that he is ready to face anything and he is searching for the best. Now, for example, you all have an ambition that you have to become a doctor, successful doctor or an engineer or a teacher and many things, IAS officer and so on. So for that, you have to search. Search means you have to search knowledge, you have searched the lives of many motivated people like that. So for that you should have that courage, you should have that strong mind. Okay, children. And hope the road's last turn will be the best. So every day, here the road means your life's path. Okay. So whenever you're going, maybe today you might face a failure, but do not get discouraged. You should think that tomorrow will be a better day. Tomorrow I'm going to do better. Or whenever you wake up in the morning, always you think that today is the best day in my life. So when you think like that, automatically your life will be positive. Okay, children, just go through the poem and I've sent you an audio of reading the poem also. You just listen to it again and again. It is a memory poem. Hopefully, I'll be teaching you a tune soon. Okay, children. Okay, children, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.